In the last PENGU video, we were basically right here. I said we'll have a few days of pumping, but today things changed, and I'm actually very bearish, and it's because of the overall market. I'm just waking up and seeing how everything is doing. First of all, we have a massive amount of selling pressure. Look at this. We don't really have buyers. 9.2 buyers, 9.9 sellers. 10.7 bill buyers, 10.97 sellers. So basically, I'm interested in placing a short right here to at least this liquidity sweep right here, and maybe I'll start buying up a little bit at these levels right here because we have a good level of accumulation. We have a lot more buyers than sellers, 50% more buyers, almost 2x buyers on these levels and 3x buyers right here. So all of these are very nice levels, so just mark this as a really good level. If we just have a flash crash, I'll have alert and I'll be ready to buy PENGU here. Obviously, this video is no financial advice. We've had some good results lately on meme coins, so 181 grand. If you're wondering how I'm up so much on them, I'll have links in the description down below to my Signals chat where you can follow every single meme coin trade I have. Plus, I have a course if you want to learn how I find them. Links in the description down below. See you next video.